Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 172. This was the 18th of February 2023. Yesterday I did 1 minute on the treadmill. 1 minute, yes, I actually got on the treadmill for 1 minute. I wasn't feeling the best yesterday, and just things got, just decided, okay, this is the first time in a very, very long time where I hadn't done the full 45 minutes like I usually do, but the goal is only to do a minute and then, get on the treadmill. That's the goal. And then, but normally I do 45 minutes. So it was the first time that I hadn't done a 45-minute session, give my body a little bit of a chance to take a break. Worked on books, had a training session with Jeffrey Combs, and then worked on insurance. And we're really excited about the insurance possibilities that are coming, working with the Affordable Care Act. This April is going to be a very big time. A lot of people are going to be losing access to Medicaid, and they're going to be put on Affordable Care Act plans in April. So normally the biggest season is open enrollment, but it's almost like a second open enrollment period this spring with all those people, millions of people losing their coverage and having to go onto the marketplace. So that's going to be a big thing. Besides that, what I'm grateful for today, I was thinking about this earlier, I am grateful for the failures that I've had in my life, the different things, the stumbles and the things that I've tried and were not successful, because all the different times I've failed, I have learned every single time. And I was watching the Super Bowl, was devastated that my home team, my favorite team, the Eagles, had lost, and was watching the presser, the post-Super Bowl presser. And, it's really hard. I know it's got to be really tough for the players. They go all out. Jalen Hurts, who was the quarterback for the Philadelphia Eagles, they're interviewing him, and he just lost the game and lost by a field goal. So he had a really good game. He put out some impressive numbers, but he made a couple of mistakes, and other people made a couple of mistakes, and that's what ultimately the game was decided based on mistakes and maybe also a couple bad calls from the refs. But either way, those mistakes were costly. And some of the things that he was saying was that, you either win or you learn. So he's like, what we're going to do is we're going to take this experience. He's very somber about the whole thing. We're going to take this experience and we're going to learn from this defeat. So I thought it was very gracious. I thought it was, he was very conciliatory. He said, hey, we did our best. We put it all out on the field. There were mistakes from made. And I was thinking, just reading other things, other, positive thinking, coaching, and, the meaning of life and why we're here. And, we can't always win. We just can't always win. Everything can't go our way. And when we do encounter failure, it's an opportunity to grow. It's an opportunity to get better, become a better person, and going through that experience. And I think when it's all said and done, I'm pretty sure this is it. When it's all said and done, when our lives are over and we're in the afterlife and we're looking back at our life review, it's going to be, we're going to appreciate the wins, and we're going to appreciate even the losses, even the mistakes and the failures and the humiliations and things like that. The fact that we put ourselves out there, we lived a full life. That's what makes winning even more special. Is with you put yourself out there, you commit to something, and it doesn't work out, and you don't give up. You get back up and you try again. You have the courage and the power to try. The only time you really fail is when you quit. So I'm grateful for my failures. I'm grateful for the mistakes that I've made, because it gives me the opportunity to learn from them and grow from them. And there will be my fair share of victories, or my unfair share of victories, because I've had a lot of times when probably I didn't deserve it, but the stars just lined up right and I got what I was looking for. So I'm very grateful. I'm grateful for all of these experiences. I'm grateful to be alive. Grateful to have these different things happen to me. that's what, I believe that I was telling my daughter, when you're grateful, you get more will come back to you, good things will come. When you're grateful for it, when you appreciate things, more good things like that will come your way. When you focus your energy on a constructive rather than a destructive way, then things are going to come your way. So that's my sermon for today. I'm grateful for you all also liking, commenting, and subscribing if you're watching this video. Thanks very much. Talk to you tomorrow.